How to look at calculator history on iPhone or iPad. Let's jump right into the steps to see history of calculator on your iPhone. Go ahead the application icon of the calculator tab and hold on to the icon and the top of the pop-up on copy last result, so you can go ahead and copy the answer, and then you can go to any browser device or application, then just post it there. So iPhone doesn't have any features to store the history of calculator. This much what you can do, that is copy and the answer, then paste it in required area or application. So that is all for today's video. I really hope this video helpful. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you on another video soon. Don't skip, like, share this video, subscribe to my channel for more content. Thanks again for watching this video.